The unveiling of the TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5 has sent a ripple through the luxury smartwatch landscape. Not because it attempts to mimic mainstream wearables like the Apple Watch Series 9 or the Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2, but because it does something far bolder. It embraces its own identity as a true luxury timepiece first and a high-performance smartwatch second. For decades, TAG Heuer has been a symbol of Swiss precision, motorsport heritage, and timeless craftsmanship. With the fifth generation of its connected line, the brand steps into a new era, redefining what smart luxury can mean in 2025. Instead of merely layering digital features onto a beautiful chassis, the Calibre E5 harmonizes technology and horology in a way that feels deliberate, polished, and aspirational. From its shimmering domed sapphire crystal to its newly developed proprietary operating system, every detail has been carefully crafted to deliver a smartwatch experience that aligns with TAG Heuer's DNA, rather than bending to trends set by Silicon Valley. Perhaps the most important shift is under the surface. Previous connected models relied on Google's Wear OS, which, while functional, often came with compromises in performance, fluidity, and integration, especially for iPhone users. With the E5, TAG Heuer breaks free, launching TAG Heuer OS, an entirely bespoke operating system built on the Android open-source project. This strategic pivot gives TAG full control over user experience, responsiveness, power management, and design. The difference is immediate. Animations are buttery smooth, menus respond without lag, and transitions are fluid. For iPhone owners, the change is particularly revolutionary. Where past models felt clunky and occasionally unreliable when paired with iOS, the Calibre E5 finally delivers stable connections, instantaneous notifications, and a pairing process that mirrors the ease long associated with Apple's ecosystem. It isn't exaggeration to say that this is the first non-Apple luxury smartwatch to offer a truly seamless iPhone experience. Android users still get the full feature set, but the most impressive leap forward is that TAG Heuer no longer feels like a secondary player on Apple's platform. It now stands shoulder to shoulder. Visually, the E5 is nothing short of stunning. The Connected series has always carried TAG's design language, but the fifth generation refines it to perfection. Available in two sizes, 45mm for the traditionalists who love a bold wrist presence, and 40mm for those seeking a more refined, unisex profile, the new lineup respects classic watchmaking proportions while subtly modernizing them. The 40mm model introduces a domed sapphire crystal, reminiscent of vintage glass box chronographs that collectors adore. This curvature doesn't just look beautiful. It creates a richer play of light across the AMOLED display, enhancing watch faces with depth and elegance. The 45mm variant retains a flat sapphire crystal and a ceramic bezel, delivering a sportier, more contemporary aesthetic. Material options reflect TAG's mastery of luxury finishes: stainless steel for timeless appeal, black DLC-coated titanium for an ultralight and stealthy look, and rose gold PVD for those seeking something bold and opulent. Strap choices range from soft rubber for sportier wear to leather, nylon, and steel for elevated occasions. TAG's strap quick-change system remains intuitive, allowing owners to shift the watch's personality from gym-ready to black tie in seconds. Every tactile element has been honed. The pushers offer a satisfying mechanical click, the rotating crown turns with a precise glide, and the case transitions feel seamless under the fingertips. Unlike many smartwatches that simply mimic the appearance of a timepiece, the E5 feels like a mechanical luxury watch that happens to contain a powerful computer inside. The display is another highlight. TAG hasn't disclosed official brightness figures, but it's immediately clear that this is their brightest and most vibrant panel yet. The AMOLED display bursts with contrast and clarity, whether under harsh sunlight or soft indoor lighting. Colors on TAG's signature watch faces, from the racing-inspired Carrera themes to the elegant minimal dials, appear saturated and refined, breathing new life into digital horology. Touch response has been fine-tuned as well, making swipes, taps, and scrolling effortlessly responsive. Performance is where the new OS shines. Freed from the constraints of Wear OS, the E5 launches apps and menus with impressive speed. The power efficiency gains are tangible too. The 45mm model boasts up to 3 days of battery life in low-power mode and around 2 full days with typical use, a substantial leap for a luxury smartwatch. The smaller 40mm version delivers roughly 2 days, which is more than enough for most wearers. A 30-minute charge provides nearly a full day of battery life, minimizing downtime and making the watch practical for daily wear. Charging is handled by a redesigned magnetic puck that snaps into place more securely than before, with improved charging stability. Wellness and sports tracking have received a thoughtful upgrade. TAG has always targeted a different audience from dedicated fitness brands like Garmin or Fitbit. Their goal isn't to overwhelm with data, but to provide elegant, reliable performance metrics for people who appreciate precision without clutter. The E5 continues this philosophy with enhancements that make it competitive yet sophisticated. Dual-band GPS ensures faster locks and more accurate positioning, even in urban environments or dense courses. Heart rate monitoring, SpO2, HRV, and advanced sleep tracking are now integrated into a sleek wellness dashboard that prioritizes clarity over complexity. The new dashboard interface lets users visualize daily trends with clean graphics and smooth animations, aligning with the watch's premium identity. One standout is the Golf Edition. TAG Heuer has leaned heavily into golf tracking in recent years, and the Calibre E5 takes this to new heights. The Golf Edition packs a black DLC titanium case, lightweight yet rugged, ideal for active wear. It supports over 40,000 mapped golf courses worldwide, automatic shot tracking, improved scoring algorithms, and faster GPS locks to keep up with the pace of play. This isn't an afterthought. TAG's golf software has earned a reputation among enthusiasts for its precision and visual polish. And on the E5, it feels more fluid and accurate than ever before. An unexpected and clever collaboration comes in the form of a special edition designed in partnership with New Balance. This version pairs the E5 with the New Balance Fuel Cell SC Elite V5 running shoes, merging the luxury sportswear and horology worlds in a striking way. The special edition features a black DLC titanium case, a sporty rubber textile strap inspired by New Balance's aesthetic, and exclusive watch faces designed to complement the shoe's visual identity. This collaboration isn't just a marketing gimmick. It reflects TAG's growing awareness of the performance luxury crossover market, appealing to runners, athletes, and style-conscious consumers alike. Despite the fitness and tracking capabilities, TAG Heuer remains unapologetically focused on craftsmanship and luxury appeal. The connected Calibre E5 isn't trying to replace a professional running watch or outdoor adventure tracker. It's designed for the modern executive, the enthusiast, the style-forward professional who values aesthetics as much as functionality. This philosophy is also evident in the OS itself. Instead of packing in a vast library of third-party apps, something TAG has deliberately moved away from by excluding the Google Play Store, the company has focused on a curated, stable experience. Notifications are instant, calendar sync works smoothly, fitness metrics are precise, and watch faces are abundant and customizable. There's no Google Pay, no sprawling app store, but that's intentional. TAG knows its audience. This deliberate restraint creates an experience that's fast, intuitive, and, most importantly, reliable. One of the biggest criticisms of smartwatches, especially Wear OS devices, has always been inconsistency. Laggy performance, stutters, bugs, and random disconnections often cheapened the experience. By taking control of its software destiny, TAG Heuer has removed those friction points. The E5 doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It tries to be perfect at what it chooses to do. The build quality, as expected from a Swiss luxury house, is exceptional. Each watch is assembled with the same attention to detail TAG applies to its mechanical masterpieces, like the TAG Heuer Carrera. The brushing and polishing on the stainless steel case are immaculate. The ceramic bezels are flawlessly finished. The tactile feel of the rotating crown and pushers rivals mechanical chronographs. Even the strap mechanisms exude precision engineering. Wearing the E5 doesn't feel like strapping on a gadget. It feels like wearing a proper timepiece, one that happens to bridge the analog and digital worlds. Battery life, while never the headline feature of smartwatches, is a major victory for TAG in this generation. The leap to 2 or 3 days of usable life, depending on size and settings, transforms the E5 from a charge-every-night device into something much more practical. This level of endurance is achieved not only through a more efficient chipset, but also because TAG's OS doesn't waste cycles running unnecessary background services. The minimalism in software is mirrored in performance efficiency.